In just a few seconds, we're going to see this rink explode.
This great hockey action is brought to you courtesy of the Tampa Bay Lightning and the Washington Capitals. Across. Moved ahead. Alshi fires it. He scores! It's trickled in.
Nice backhand on that goal. Put him right past the goal.
That's a tough stop for any goalie. This team is on the wrong side of an early 1-0 score.
And that's got to worry the coaching staff. They don't want to be playing catch-up all game long.
Nicholas Backstrom and
Pass back.
Scores! That was pure offensive talent right there. What a goal. He stepped into that shot big time and put it past the goalie.
The one-timer is hockey's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Washington loses the early lead.
Jim, I've got a feeling we're going to see some high scoring in this one.
For the one-timer, Vasilevsky stabs at it. Out over the blue line. Ciselli with the puck. Shoots quickly. Holtby, great save.
Right now, he's playing with confidence.
Played up. Icing is called against Washington. Point jumps on the loose puck. Holtby stoned him.
Pad save, nicely done.
The Lightning go offside. Gudas finds the loose puck. Hepway. Vasilevsky gets the blocker on it.
It was on net, but the goalie was there to make the save.
Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. Hickman takes control of the puck. And they get called for icing. The faceoff goes to Washington. Johnson grabs the puck. Wilson dumped it in. Jumped on by Washington. Kuznetsov, he takes it. Dillon. Coburn gets it. Brings it out. Advances the puck. Johnson, wrist shot. Dillon gets the pass from Holtby. Kempney finds the loose puck. Up along the boards.
line 2.
Out of their defensive end. Moved up. Stemkos with a wrist shot. Miller gets shoved. He grabs the puck. Hepway corrals it. Over the line. Sergachev scoops up the loose puck. Rings it out.
Line 4.
Goudreau dumps the puck in. Tampa now with it. Goudreau. Big glove.
Jim, he reacted purely on instinct with that save.
Played across. Advances the puck. Hagelin gets pushed. He gets hold of the puck. Wrist shot. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Moved across. And they get called for icing. The ref is ready to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to Washington. Hackett gets bumped off the puck. Scooped up by Washington. Kempney, quick shot. Vasilevsky denied him. Cirelli
Line 1.
knocked him off the puck.
Talk about a headache.
Washington gobbles it up. Cannonading shot. Tampa with it now. Alshi checks him. Shoots it quickly. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Tampa needs to be making a line change soon. Along the boards. Leg save.
Off the pads, no luck there.
Move back. Heckway gets hold of the puck. With a wrist shot, Hedman stops the shot. Delayed penalty coming up. McDonough will serve time for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
Tampa finds themselves down a man.
I've got a feeling the next few minutes will show what this team is really made of.
2 minutes for hooking.
Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. Buckstrom won the faceoff. Orlov takes control of the puck. Up along the boards. Orlov backhand. Alshi with the puck. Ovechkin shoots hard. Blocked. Buckstrom shoots the puck. Corralled by Washington. One times it. Coburn. Tampa jumps on it. Out over the blue line. Hedman hits Orlov. Coleman jumps on the loose puck. Wilson. Coleman corrals it. The Lightning dump it in. Kala takes control. Kuznetsov shoots! Vasilevsky made the great glove save. The Lightning dump the puck in. Washington takes possession. Alexander Ovechkin. He gets laid out.
He left them a bit confused.
McDonough heads back onto the ice and is looking to do some damage.
Well, he might feel that the penalty wasn't merited, but I've got some advice. Playing a great game is the best revenge.
Tampa dumps the puck in. Tampa has it now. Coburn shows.
That's how you leave an impression.
Leipzig takes possession of the puck. In all alone. Shoots the puck. They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes. Jensen scores!
What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked the spot and snapped it home.
Washington certainly knows when to put the pedal down.
Jim, we've got ourselves a game.
Pass to him. Centers it. Ilya Kovalchuk knocks him off the puck. And that concludes the first period. The Lightning end this period down by 1.
Think it's time to switch to a more physical game, Jim. That should help them get the job done.
Sure to be a highlight of your life.
Hello and welcome back as the second period gets underway.
We've been treated to a close game so far.
Dillon. Out over the blue line. Gord scoops up the loose puck. Wilson, wrist shot. Gord has it. Washington picked it up. Kempney shoves Gord. Gord played up. Moved up. Pad save. Wilson jumps on the loose puck. The Capitals dump it. Hedman gets a hold of it.
Line 2.
Vasilevsky gets a pad on it.
The shot looked good, but the save was even better.
Sergachev takes control of the puck. And out they come with a puck. Quick pass up. Point with a wrist shot. Holtby closed the door.
Line 4.
We're on the verge of a scrap, Greg.
They look like they want to go, Jim.
out, but no clear winner either.
They both showed up, and that's the important part.
The ref is signaling for the face-off. Played up. Kovalchuk grabs the puck, brings it out.
Unit major for fighting. The penalty will be served by number 19.
Kovalchuk with the puck. Leipzig. Washington has it. Offside. The action's about to start. McDonough scooped it up. Stemkos gets shoved. McDonough gets the loose puck. Killorn. Washington picked it up. Stemkos. Backstrom finds it. The Capitals dump it in. Grabbed by Tampa. In over the line. Johnson shoots the puck. Out over the blue line. Moved up. Along the boards. Up along the boards. Quick pass up. Tampa puts its second line out. They dump the puck in. In the corner. Coburn. Heller. Passed ahead. Out over the blue line. Kala takes possession of the puck. He dumps it in. Budis picks it up. Kala skewers Heller. Kala jumps on the loose puck. Johnson. Coleman jumps on it. Tampa puts its checking line out. Moved ahead. Kempney knocks the puck loose. Hackett scooped it up. Heller scores!
A top-shelf goal off a top-flight play.
Wow, what a wrister he uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
Tampa evens it up halfway through the second period.
Lots of time left, so expect to see a flurry of rushes to get that go-ahead goal.
Blocked. Killorn brings it out. Over the blue line. Quick pass up. Ahead to the neutral zone. Centered. Played back. Vasilevsky stoned him. Alshi takes control of the puck. That's offside. The puck is about to be dropped. Vrana gets pushed. He takes possession of the puck. Vrana. Tampa picked it up. Hackett. Jumped off by Tampa. Cirelli. Heller takes control. Headway. Hard shot. Tampa got it.
Line 4.
Cirelli. Working along the perimeter. Cirelli knocked him off the puck. Who wants it?
Two down, one to go.
Of your program for a look at the players in the system.
We're just about ready to start the third period.
Jim, when the game's this close, any mistake is huge.
Backstrom wins the draw. Backstrom. Alshi. Move back. Ovechkin takes the puck. Over the line. In the corner, Hedman with the puck. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. Kempny. Kempny jumps on the loose puck. Point. Short pass. Hard one-timer. Kempny takes control.
Time for a bit of the rough stuff, Craig. Well, they got tangled up and now are ready to go. Both of these guys had their moments, but neither one could really get the upper hand.
The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Vrana got the puck. He picks it up.
5-minute major
Gord mowed down. That rattled. Turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Kuznetsov with the puck. Gudis. Vrana now with it. Tampa scooped it up. Palat brings it out. Moved ahead. Point gets the loose puck. Gets the shot off. Coleman picked it up. Holtby hangs on for the whistle. Washington is taking advantage of face-off situations.
Now this has helped them control the tempo. The results on the scoreboard speak for themselves.
In over the line. Hepway finds the loose puck. Kucherov gets thrashed. Kucherov. Hedman with the puck. The Lightning come in offside. They're getting ready for the face-off. Buckstrom won the face-off. Ovechkin grabs the puck. Along the boards. Wrist shot. Ovechkin bowls over Shattenkirk. Coleman jumps on the loose puck. Palat. Orlov takes possession. Palat gets checked. Orlov takes control of the puck. Alexander Ovechkin. Hedman scoops it up out of their defensive end. Icing called against Tampa. Washington has had a firm grip on the faceoffs.
When you control the faceoffs, you control the first few seconds of action. That can make a big difference.
Vrana hammers Gord. Kuznetsov saved by Vasilevsky. Through center. The Lightning dump the puck in. Ahead to the neutral zone. Kempny finds the loose puck. Kucherov gets shoved. Moved up. Centered. Into the attacking zone. Played back.
Line 3.
Kovalchuk jumps on the loose puck. Hepway with a wrist shot taken by Washington. Kempny. McDonough takes control of the puck. Killorn dumps it in on the end boards. Kempny gobbles it up. Alshi. He grabs it. Killorn. Scooped up by Tampa. Buckstrom. Vasilevsky slams the door shut.
Line 2.
Over center. Orlov grabs the puck. Up through center. Working along the perimeter. One-timer. Leipzig scores.
He's really liking that one-timer.
They say a quick release is more important than accuracy. See, at the NHL level, the goalies won't argue with that. Dillon is ready to drop the gloves again, and here they go.
Let's see if he gets the upper hand this time.
Good tussle with no clear-cut winner.
That was a good all-around effort from both guys.
Washington has won most of the draws so far.
And that's had a big impact on their play. We've seen it again and again in this game.
Major
moved ahead. Sergachev knocked him off the puck. Tempa with it now. Goudreau ahead to the neutral zone.
Line 2.
The Lightning dump the puck in. Panic in control now. Hagelin. Coburn scooped it up. Cirelli. Gudas grabbed it. Quick shot. Coburn gets in the way. Orlov intercepts the puck. McDonough got it. Ovechkin, wrist shot, picked up by Tampa. Killorn. Tampa pulls the goalie and is going to gamble on the extra attacker.
Gutsy move by the coach, but it could backfire in a big way.
Passed ahead. McDonough scoops up the loose puck. Stemkos gets checked. Orlov finds the loose puck. Killorn. Tampa now with it. Carlson with a wrist shot. He plays an empty net goal.
Nothing risked, nothing gained, I guess. Well, they had to take a chance by throwing the goalie late. That empty netter sealed the deal in this one.
We're under a minute now, and I'm thinking this one is over.
Jim, I can't argue with you on that one.
Carlson, assisted by number 92.
Wrist shot. Leg save by Vasilevsky. Kala. Gudas takes control of the puck. Holtby hangs on for the whistle. How about that last save? On a backhander, no less.
Great anticipation.
Tampa will need to start controlling a few faceoffs.
Well, so far, it hasn't been their strength.
That's it. This one's over. Washington is triumphant.
A tremendous effort from their blue line. Without the defense, hey, they don't get the win.
Tonight's second star, Washington number 3, Nicholas Jensen. Tonight's second star, Tampa Bay number 13, Cedric Hackett.
From Washington, D.C., I'm Jim Hewson.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.